Assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear student. Today we are trying to solve the problem exercise, page number 62. The problem is question number 14.39, part B. The random variable has the following probability distribution: x is equal to 4 and has probability 0.2 and 5 0.4 and 6 0.3 and 7 0.1. So the first question is find the mean and variance of the mean for the random sample of size 36, and the second question is find the probability that the mean of 36 items will be less than 5.5. How we calculate? Let's restart. So first of all, it means that here the probability is 2 divided by 10. It means that the number of population is here 4 and 4. And similarly, 4 divided by 10 means that and here 4 items are repeated. That is the population is 5, 5, 5, 5. Why is 4 times repeated? Similarly, here 3 divided by 10, it means that the number of population is 6 is 3 times repeated. Similarly, here 1 divided by 10, it means that 1 it means that the population is just only 1 time repeated. 7 is just only 1 time repeated. So the first question, find the mean. So according to the property we are using, we have already done. So mean of sample mean, that is denoted by mu x bar is equal to, already we have know that mu. Similarly, and variance is also, we are required variance, that is variance of the sample mean. Variance is required. Variance is sigma squared divided by n. We can write in this form sigma divided by n. Now we are required the probability. So x is probability. So the table is given already x, and probability we can write in this form also f of x. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and his probability is 0.2, 0.4, and 0.3, and 0.1. Now if we are finding mean of x bar, so we can write expected value of x. Expected value of x is equal to summation x f of x. F of x means that this term is required. If we multiply both terms x and f of x, this column is required. So we multiply this term, we get 0.8, and here is 2.0, here is 1.8, and 0.7. So sum is required, sum is required here, sum. So if we add this term, so the result is 5.3. 5.3. Similarly, if we are required expected value of summation x square, so x square will be also required x square f of x. X square x is 16, 16 multiplied by 2 we get 32, 33.2, 50, 25, 25 multiplied by 4 we get 100, 10.0. 36, 36, 36 multiplied by 6, 3, so we get 108, 10.8. And similarly here if we multiply 49, 49, 4.1, if we add this term, so we get 28.9. If we add this column, so summation is 28. So we have already calculated this result 5.3. We get the result 5.3. Variance of x bar we can write summation x square f of x minus summation x f of x whole square. This is means that we can write expected value of x square minus expected value of x star whole square. We can write in this form. We get now already we have find this result in the column of 28.9. 28.9 minus mean already we have calculated 5.3 whole square. If we subtract 28.9 minus 5.3, we get the answer. We calculate directly if we calculate by calculator using calculator, we get the answer 0.81. Now the second part, if we are doing our sigma square is equal to sigma square divided by n. We have found this one sigma square. Sigma square is equal to already 0.81 divided by n is 36. How we calculate 36? 36 we if we get the sample of each v that is already given in the question. 36 sample is already in the question is given. So if we divide this result 0.225 is the required answer. Now the first part we have done. The second part is probability of x bar is less than 5.5. Now we are using the standardized property. We are making standardized variable z x bar minus mu x bar divided by sigma x bar less than 5.5 minus mu x bar divided by sigma x bar. So this is we will get here z less than or equal to 5.53. Mu already done, we have 5.53 divided by sigma x bar. We have already calculated sigma x bar. We taking the square root of this one to 1 under root. If we calculate this result, probability of z less than or equal to the result 3. So there is less than, so equality symbol is not used. Now how we calculate this area? This area we calculate 1.53 less than means that this area is involved already. Less than we calculate from 0 to 1, but less than is minus infinity up to so on. So this statement we can write 0.5 plus probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1.53. So we check the table of standardized variables. This value 1.5 row and column of 0.03. If we check the value, so this is the result is 0.4082. If we subtract the result plus add this result, so 0.9082, which is the required result. In advance, please subscribe my channel.